Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. Firstly, we should check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and if it doesn't, just enable it. If you have Android, just open control panel and enable it here, because you may have it at the Bluetooth. To enable Bluetooth. Some Android phones have it at the control panel. And after that, tap at your speaker at the device list. And we have connection. But if it didn't help you, or we need to, the next step is to perform a soft reset. And to do this, at the top of the speaker we have controls. We need to locate power button. Now, press and hold at the power button to turn off your speaker. Now it disconnected from the phone. We can see that there is no LED light, or at the device list there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And then we need to only turn on it, so press one time at the power button. And as you can see, it reconnects to this phone and we have connection. If this method also didn't help you, the third one is to remove and add this speaker. So, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker, then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and now press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go, we hear the sound and we can see that this light is blinking. So we did it. Now tap at your device at the device list and we connect it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset at this speaker, we need to use Bluetooth button and also volume up button, what have a plus icon, at the same time until your speaker is turned off. So press and hold it. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and after that we need to remove the speaker from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon at the device list, then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, this speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to enter pairing mode manually, we just tap on it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!